C, yeah, I say OC, organic chemistry, alkanes, all kinds of alkanes, bond on your carbon, all carbon, everything, single, double, triple bonds, all carbon, everything. First on board's the alkanes, running with their single bond, CnH2n plus 2, that's how they correspond. Next up is the alkenes, alkynes, I'll explain later, but trust me, I will, don't be a hater. I got a couple tips and I'm trying to help you out. Memorize your orbital shapes, that's what it's all about. Yeah, I'm talking bonding, non-bonding domains. Here we go, don't forget the angle of the bonds and we're done.
Group 1 metals like to share. Halogens make bonds unfair. Electrons joining larger rings. Bonding, making different things. Victory will come in May. If you don't study, you will pay. Only thing that's on my mind is how we're gonna get a 5 tonight. How we're gonna get a 5 tonight.
CE, yeah, I said CE. Chemical equation, not hard, no need to flee. Memorization is the key, that is Hogan's one plea. If you wanna pass, know where to put the letters A, B, and C. Let's agree. A plus B is C synthesis, and C to A plus B, decomp. Gotta know this. A plus B C equals AB plus C. Single replacement, not hard, let's face it. Double replacement, when B and D are swapped, like combustion. As long as I have oxygen, I will never stop. Atomic ions, gotta know them. Know all these if you wanna pass, can.
Group 1 metals like to share. Halogens make bonds unfair. Electrons joining larger rings. Bonding, making different things. Victory will come in May. If you don't study, you will pay. Only thing that's on my mind is how we're gonna get a 5 tonight.
Haha.
How we're gonna get a 5
KKK, on to the next chapter of the day. Bonding, that is when two elements wanna play. For most of the elements, bonding may be okay, but for one boys in group 18, the noble guesses they say nay. Full octectal valence shell at the end of the day. Groups 1 and 2 wanna bond, any element would be the bay. If they wanna get their electrons away, my negative ions will surely make them pay. Every compound is held together by a special force. Called a bond, hard to break, hard to force. Covalent is between a metal and a non-metal. They share electrons, neither one wants them more, so they can settle. Ionic bonds exist between ions of a different charge. One steals an electron, the negative, the one that wants to get large. Metallic bonds go metal to metal, that's how this bond goes. And if they give their electrons to a lattice, just so we know, I'm spitting fire. So put on your safety goggles to be even safer. Use brackets on your Lewis models, and the resonance structures, please don't forget. When it comes to your test grade, they can be a major threat. Informal charge, but that's really no sweat. Number of valence minus number of a sign. For multiple bonds, that right there's a sign. That there's not only a sigma, there's a pi. Listen to this song for the midterm has it all combined. Yeah, that's how we do. Shout out to my boy S. Roach. Holla back at me.